In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block a customer in WooCommerce using a handy tool, the Fraud Prevention for WooCommerce and EDD plugin. This freemium plugin is a fantastic solution that not only offers fraud protection for WooCommerce, but extends its features to easy digital downloads as well, making it a versatile choice for online store owners. Let's start by discussing what makes this plugin so useful. One of its key features is that it allows you to incorporate reCAPTCHA on your checkout page. This means that only genuine customers will be able to complete purchases, effectively reducing the likelihood of fraudulent transactions slipping through. You'll also find the functionality to blacklist potential fraud sources based on their address, country, phone number, or even specific shipping zones. This level of detail can be priceless when you're dealing with a global audience but want to maintain control over who can make purchases on your site. Furthermore, you can establish block rules based on cart conditions or customer data. This means, for example, if an order exceeds a certain value or a customer is trying to purchase an unusually large number of high-value items, the plugin can flag this as suspicious and take appropriate action, allowing you to feel more secure about your transactions. To start using this plugin, you'll first need to download and install it from the WordPress plugin repository. Once you've activated it, head over to the plugin settings area found within your WordPress dashboard. Here, you'll be presented with various options that you can configure according to your store's needs. Under the settings, you'll want to navigate to the Blacklist or Blocklist section. Here, you can input the criteria you'd like to use to block customers. If you wish to prevent certain customers based on their address or phone number, you can simply enter this information into the respective fields. This creates a robust barrier against those you've identified either through experience or precautionary measures as potential threats. If your business deals with high-risk locations, you can select specific countries or shipping zones to block entirely. This is particularly relevant if you typically see a pattern of fraudulent orders from specific geographical areas. By being able to customize these settings, you ensure that your protective measures are both effective and tailor-made for your specific online store. Moreover, don't forget to set up the reCAPTCHA functionality. This is a critical step, as it will filter out automated bots that can potentially harm your business. Simply follow the instructions within the plugin to integrate it seamlessly into your checkout process. Once you have these settings configured, take a moment to test different aspects of your store to ensure that legitimate customers are not inadvertently blocked. It's crucial to strike a balance between security and accessibility. This thorough setup allows you to operate with peace of mind, knowing that your store is well equipped to prevent fraudulent activity. With features highly rated by users for both reliability and responsive support, the Fraud Prevention for WooCommerce and EDD plugin is a valuable addition to any online store battling fraud. Happy selling and stay protected.